Are some of the principles of Hinduism so mysterious that their mystery has not been solved till date? Can the deep secrets hidden in them change your life? Are they related to scientific facts, or are they mere religious beliefs? Come, let's go on a journey where we will know 10 such principles of Hinduism which are full of mystery and spirituality. Watch this video till the end, because there may be a secret hidden in it which can give a new dimension to your thinking. So let's find out what are those 10 principles and why are they so mysterious. Hinduism, one of the most ancient religions of the world, has many mystical principles hidden in its depths. These principles are important not just from a religious point of view, but also from a spiritual and scientific point of view. Today, we will talk about those principles that reveal such mysteries related to human life, the universe, and the soul, which are difficult to understand from a simple point of view. These theories will not only enlighten your soul, but will also make you think whether the world is really as we see it, or is there something more beyond it. The first principle is Advaita, the principle of uniqueness and unity. Advaita is the cardinal principle of Vedanta, which states that there is only one reality in the universe, and that is Brahma. Everything else is Maya. The secret of Advaita lies in the idea that this world and its diversity is merely an illusion. There is only one real truth, and that is Paramatma. If this world is just an illusion, then how can we experience it so vividly? This theory challenges every aspect of your life and forces you to wonder if everything is really the same. Are we all made up of the same energy? Will everything merge into oneness? The second theory is that of karma and reincarnation. The karma theory states that every person suffers the consequences of his or her actions, whether good or bad. Linked to this theory is reincarnation, which states that the soul is born again and again and has to suffer the consequences of its actions in each birth. If the soul is immortal and takes birth again and again, then can we ever remember our past births? The theory of karma and reincarnation teaches us that every action of ours is important and it shapes our future lives. This is mysterious because we cannot remember our past lives, yet we have to face the same cycle. The third mystical theory is Maya, that the world is an illusion. This theory states that what we see, feel, and experience is not actually reality, but an illusory reality hidden behind a veil of Maya. Can we get out of this illusion? And if yes, then how? The mystery of the theory of Maya is that if everything is an illusion, then what is the real truth? And can we reach that ultimate truth by piercing this illusion? The doctrine of the Atma and the Supreme Soul is one of the most important mystical doctrines in Hinduism. It is the belief that every Jivatma is a part of the Supreme Soul. But this soul is bound in this earthly body and is trapped in the cycle of birth and death until it unites with the Supreme Soul. Can we meet our soul? And will it lead us to God? This principle of Atma and Paramatma leads us to self-realization. The secret behind it is that realizing the Atma and merging it with Paramatma is the ultimate goal of life. The Wheel of Time. According to Hinduism, time moves like a wheel. This universe comes into being, expands, and finally dissolves. It has 4 major eras: Satya Yuga, Treta Yuga, Dwapara Yuga, and Kali Yuga. This cycle repeats over and over again. Can we break this cycle of time and attain eternal liberation? This theory is a deep mystery because it tells us that time has no end. It continues forever. Can we break free from this endless cycle, or are we all trapped in it? In Hinduism, the power of mantras is considered mysterious and miraculous. This theory states that mantras have an invisible power that can affect our mind and body. Can a mantra really change your life? The power of mantras is a mystery that is not yet fully understood even scientifically. The theory states that with correct pronunciation and meditation, mantras can not only change our thoughts, but also elevate our consciousness. The theory of yoga and samadhi tells us that by controlling the mind and body, we can achieve the ultimate state, samadhi. Samadhi is the state in which the soul unites with its original source. Can a person become free forever by entering into the state of Samadhi? This principle of yoga and Samadhi is mysterious because after reaching Samadhi, the person gets connected to that ultimate truth from where he does not have to get trapped in the cycle of birth and death again. What is this truth? This is the biggest secret of this principle. The Vedanta and the Upanishads are the most ancient and mystical texts of Hinduism, describing the esoteric doctrines of Brahma, Atma, and Maya. Can we know Brahma by understanding the secrets hidden in the Upanishads? The Vedanta and the Upanishads tell us that this world is not real, but is hidden from the ultimate truth. To know this truth, self-study and meditation are required. Can we fully understand the mysteries of these texts? This principle of Hinduism says that God is omnipresent. That is, He is everywhere, in every particle. There is no place where God is not present. If God is everywhere, where should we look for Him? The doctrine of God's omnipresence teaches us that God can be seen not only in temples and idols, but everywhere and in every living being. This doctrine is mystical because it regards God as present in our everyday lives. The last and biggest theory is the mystery of creation. This theory explains how the universe came into being, how it was created, and how it works. Is there an end to the universe, and will it arise again? The mystery of creation is so deep that even scientists have not been able to find the answer to it. In Hinduism, it is believed that the universe is created again and again and gets destroyed again and again. But how does this cycle continue? Is there some divine plan behind this? So these were 10 mystical principles of Hinduism, which can give you a new perspective. To understand the depth hidden in these principles, not only religious faith but also self-exploration and meditation is required. If you find these theories interesting and want to understand their mysteries in more depth, then like this video, subscribe to the channel and tell us in the comments which theory you found most mysterious. Thank you. See you again on another mysterious journey. Until then, goodbye.